Now the definitive soul album to grace any collection. The unbelievable sweet soul sounds of Marvin Gaye's Sexual Healing. REO Speedwagon, I'm Gonna Keep On Loving You. The Commodores, Once, Twice, Three Times a Lady. Mr. with his Broken Wings. And of course, timeless classics from the 80s, such as Spandau Ballads, To Rule. All Saints, Never Ever. Teddy Prendergast with Love, Tico. Randy Crawford, You Might Need Somebody. And Tracy Chapman's Vasca. The gorgeous Whitney Houston, I Will Always Love You. Michael McDonald, On My Own. Sweet Soul Sounds also features great tracks such as This Really Good One by Air Supply. The Gap Band, My Heart. There's the lush larynx of Gulf War Forces sweetheart, Oleta Adams.
I don't care how you get
There's Big Hair and Big Hits, Leo Sayer, When I Need You.
When I need you.
That song still sounds fantastic, doesn't it? Genuine Pony. Keith Sweat, Make It Last Forever. Remember, this record is not available in the shops. If you want it, you should call the number on your screen now, 0800 243 15, and we'll send it straight. Oh, I forgot, Christopher Cross, If You Get Caught Between the Moon and New York City. Great song. Call the number now and we'll get it straight out to you in an envelope. You can play it in bed with a woman or a man, whatever you fancy. I don't mind.